Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and in this video it's very special. We are rearranging our living room, so I hope you guys enjoy it and I hope you guys like the way that it turned out. We are absolutely happy about it. It actually makes more sense for us, and it kind of just gets us away from the guinea pigs, as I was saying in my last video, just because our allergies and stuff like that. So it definitely has been helping out a ton.
I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills.
So of course I'm not doing a whole bunch of heavy lifting or anything like that, due to the fact that I am very much so pregnant. But I am coming up behind my husband as he's moving stuff around and just cleaning as we go. So I'm like sweeping and everything, because there was a lot of dust and just everything, because we haven't really moved anything around in quite a while. So everything really needed cleaned up and just thoroughly cleaned as we were going.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. Stay.
So where we live, it's like our apartment is kind of like at a slope. So you see us here trying to like fix our desks because they're kind of like at an angle. And we tried to use these little sticky things that help not like rub your floor and make like scratches on your floor, if that makes sense. So we tried to use that. It worked well for his desk, but not necessarily mine. My desk, it just is not working out, so we're gonna have to find out an alternative. But that's all we're doing here, is trying to make our desks somewhat even, so that way these desks were pretty expensive, so we don't want to mess them up. So we just want to make sure that they're well balanced out.
It's time that we put out the fire. With every breath I breathe you out, we just can't take it any higher. It's only fair we let each other go without. Oh, this is hard to admit. I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. Oh, what we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. Darling, this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch.
So as my husband is working on the wiring of all of our desks and all the wires that involve everything, I am going to clean out this here windowsill that we just accumulated a whole bunch of stuff back there because that's where our desk was. So I'm just cleaning that out and making it look a little bit decent, and we're just going to work on placing everything where it needs to go.
This much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see it, but we've lost touch. So much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love.
This is many hours later after I got done taking a nap. I definitely needed it after that big move around, so I didn't get an after shot, but you will get one at the end of this video. I got a package for the baby, so I was just cleaning up the box and everything, cleaning up the table because I took the beads out of my daughter's hair, and we are just going to quickly clean up the downstairs.
So much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love. Wanted it too much, yeah, we wanted it too much.
Oh my, mommy, eh, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn, shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down, long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So me say, hey, pack up a bago. I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. Oh, she told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got me. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh
bailamos al ritmo del bajo y la caja. Y tú mi África, yo tu casino en América. Quiero bambino contigo, ma. Te beso bien suave en el limón, ma. Quiero con vino, limón, no sé. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental, y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el final, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista es
Told me that I
espectacular.
make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo, ma. Esto está fijo, ma.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my.
Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room, it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. 'Cause I forgot about your friend. What's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me. It was just like waking up from.
And yes, my kitchen was a hot mess. It definitely needed done. I tried to stick to the whole washing dishes before I go to bed thing, and not really leaving dishes in the sink, and just filling up the dishwasher throughout the day. I tried that and it really didn't work, so I guess we're just gonna have to figure out a new routine, especially before this baby gets here, because this sink piling up and not having any dishes is starting to get a little old.
Oh God, I wish you knew. I hate being in between. I wanna make a scene, still hoping for you and me, wondering what could have been. It was just like waking up from a fever dream. When I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could fuck the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, the universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. 'Cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe is a bitch. Universe is a bitch. You know I don't believe in shit like fate, but lately things have happened that I can't explain. You're miles away, still I know what you're thinking of. The universe Maybe I was confused, or did you feel it too? In that room it suddenly just felt like it was me and you. Cause I forgot about your friend, what's his name again? I really can't recall a single thing of what he said to me. It was just like waking up from a fever dream, when I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, then universe, cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe, wish I could cut myself loose, but I hold on to you now.
And as promised, here are your after shots of the transformation of our living room.
Me wondering what could have been. It was just like waking up from a fever dream, when I found out that you have someone else and that she knows about me. What a waste on such chemistry. But if we could the rules, you would be with me. If I'm not supposed to think about you like this, then universe, cause every single thought leaves your name on my lips. Universe.
Hey guys, if you're making it to this part of the video, that means we have reached the end of this video, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video, and please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are not yet subscribed, please do consider. We have a whole lot going on on this channel, so I hope you're ready for it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.